NASDAQ this week has risen in value, and we can see the price reached 22,198, and from there the price has made a bounce back down, where on Wednesday the strong bearish candle has took the price below first support level, second support level, third support level, and stopped it there. But the next day the price continued to lose its value, and until the Friday the price has gone all the way back down to 20,761. But on the Friday the price has bounced back up, where we can see that the price has tried to make also a bullish breakout above this area of confluence of resistance at 21,544, but the price is bouncing back down. A weekly time frame shows us that we have a bearish candle, which is a bearish engulfing candle, which is a great information currently for the bears, because this is indication of the further losing value. But we'll see what happens on the daily time frame. First of all, let's see on the monthly time frame. A monthly currently shows us that we are still in the bullish breakout above 21,000, which is an important support level, and we can see very large wick on the upper side with a smaller body. 1.5 week is still open. We need to wait until this month close, but on the weekly time frame, this is currently shows me that there is a potential that the price continues to lose its value next week, reaching 21,000 as the first support level. But let's see the daily. The daily time frame shows me that we are currently below this very important confluence of support, and we have here a daily candle which has been a bullish candle close on Friday. So for me currently there is an open space for the price to make a clean breakout. Will it go above or down? This is something that I'm waiting to see how the price will react, and then I will follow the market by watching where the breakout happens and then enter the trade. So for now, what we can expect, this is on the weekly time frame, shows me that we are currently in the bearish engulfing candle, monthly currently still bullish, and the daily indecision. So for now it is the best to stay out and see what price do and where the price will define the next trend. Will it return back up, or it will back down, or reaching 21,000, which is currently some kind of a target that we can see on the weekly time frame. So let's see what happens. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.